Hmm. Hey there. Hi. What are you doing? Nothing. Nothing. You seem to be very focused on something, and I wonder what it is. Huh? What is it? What's wrong? You good? You good, little pup? Yeah, you are. You are. So, what seems to be the issue? Why are you so focused, walking around my room? Mm. Oh, you keep finding lumps of fur scattered around? Uh huh, uh huh, uh huh. All around the mansion? Yeah, and? You don't know where it came from. It was out of nowhere. Um, you know that we shed our fur, right? Yeah, winter's basically over, or it is over. It is spring currently. So, didn't you know that wolves shed their winter fur? Why are you looking at the lump of fur in your hands with an open mouth? Hmm. Seem like a little fish out of water, gaping for air. What's wrong? You didn't know about that? It's not that you didn't know that wolves shed their fur, you just didn't expect werewolves to do the same? Huh. I see and I don't see your logic. I would see why, because up until very recently, the concept of werewolves and vampires was very, very new to you. But, however, we're still wolves, you know? Yeah, we still follow the same cycles that wolves do. Our coat thickens before winter hits, so we're nice and cozy and warm during the winter, during the cold, harsh months of the winter. And when spring hits, we start to shed it, so we have a lighter coat, so summer isn't as unbearable. You just never thought about it because you've never seen me in my wolf form. Well, fair enough. Hmm? Could you see me in my wolf form? No. So mean, no hesitation. No. 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 You do not deserve to see me in my wolf form. Mm-mm. 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 Only very few are allowed such things. Yes. Only a few are allowed such a privilege to see me in my wolf form. Mm-hmm. 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 And you're not one of them. Not yet, at least. Haven't proven yourself enough to be worthy to let your eyes feast such a form. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Yeah, but I get your logic. I get where your confusion comes from specifically. Yeah, I get it. You're not used to seeing us walk around the mansion. In our wolf form, we're usually all, or always all, in humanoid forms. Yeah, so it's more than normal for you to not even think about it. Some of us don't even let our tail and our ears out. Yeah. You know, technically, it takes more energy, mental control to keep a humanoid form and to keep your ears and tail out. Yeah, it's more difficult to do so than to be completely in human form or completely in wolf form. Really, yeah, yeah. It is seen as an act of dominance, of perseverant power to have your years and dale out. When looking like a human. Yeah, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So it's more than normal for you to sometimes forget that you're actually in a den of wolves. Uh-huh. 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 That makes you feel scared and another emotion. Yeah, I question what it is with how red your face just got. And it being you, I'm not surprised. Not surprised one single bit that that is your reaction. No. No, it doesn't mean I'll go bald because I'm shedding my fur. What are you talking about? It just means that the thicker layer of my fur is gonna be shed. Yeah, it's just that. What is going through that mind of yours to even think that it would lead to baldness? Why am I even surprised with the things that come out of your mouth sometimes? You saying stuff like that. Oh, it shouldn't surprise me. Actually, I should be surprised at myself for getting surprised at what you just said. That just confused your brain. Good. Good. Get confused. Get confused. Get your tiny little brain all in a knot. Don't get rid of just me saying the word knot. Don't do that. Such a silly little thing you are. You are absolutely lucky that I like you enough to tolerate this silly behavior. Yeah. Well, since you're being silly, you want to say something silly again. Go on. Tell me. I'm actually curious to see what you're gonna say. Can can you make a felt blushy out of the fur that I'm shedding? I'm sorry, I gotta process that for a little bit. You wanna do a felt blushy out of the fur that I am shedding. Unless I do something with the fur, no, we usually disregard it. Huh. Why? 'Cause it kinda smells like me and you wanna have something with you the whole time? You know it's not that different as if I were to collect the hairs that fall naturally from your head and maybe crochet them, make them into a little blanket or plushie and use it. That's kind of slightly creepy. Oh, you didn't think about it like that. No. I noticed that you didn't. No, you didn't. No. So what are we gonna use it for? I don't know. It usually just disappears. It's not my responsibility to clean up this mansion. We have people for that. And I'm not one of them. I lead, I don't clean. But what if you only use my fur? You know what? Let's entertain this thought. Let's entertain it. You have fun collecting the fur. Look, how about this? I'll even let you brush my tail. Uh-huh. You can collect all the fur. Have fun doing something with it and then show me. Because I'm kind of curious what's going to come out of this. Feel like entertaining your silliness. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Where's the brush? The brush is right over there. Mm-hmm. You can brush my tail, and then take as much time as you need with it. Yeah, yeah. Don't thank me for it. Don't thank me for allowing you to do it. I'm just extremely curious how is this gonna play out? Yeah. Okay, go and get it. Calm down, calm down. Oh, you want to sit down on the floor when I sit on the table and do my stuff? Yeah, when I work. Suit yourself. But, shh, you gotta be silent so I can focus on working, okay? You promise? Yeah, yeah. Cute little thing. Cute, silly little human that you are. Did you enjoy the audio? Of course you did. Do you know what would make mommy very, very happy? For you to leave a comment and like, to share, and to click on one of the links right in front of you. Bye bye, pet.